Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Bitcoin BTCUSD pair in Metatrader 4. You can start trading it. Just open your MT4 mobile trading app. Once it opens, make sure you are on the code section, which shows your watch list. Now to add Bitcoin, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Take you to a page where you will see different groups of assets available depending on your broker. Next, find and tap on the crypto group. You'll see a list of different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, and others. Look for Bitcoin US dollar or BTCUSD. Once you find BTCUSD, just tap on it once. It will be added to your watch list. Now go back to your codes and you will see Bitcoin listed there. Tap on it, then select open chart to view the Bitcoin chart and start trading. That's it. You have successfully added the Bitcoin pair in MetaTrader 4. If you find this helpful, check out more tutorials like this and I will see you in the next one.